Hello and welcome back to the I think it's the 6th video, maybe it's um, the 6th video in my 4th tutorial series. Last time we went over loops and we made this, which is FizzBuzz, the classic programming interview question in 4th, which is pretty cool. And today we're going to be going over variables, which is usually covered in the first video of other programming languages, not in 4th. So, I've got a shell open here, so let's get right in. So I've got nothing on the stack yet. So how you declare a variable is pretty simple. You give it a value, maybe like 10, and then you say variable, and then you give it a name. And 10 is going to be named 10. There we go. And we've got a 10 on the stack. Oh, right. So this just declares a variable in memory called 10. It doesn't have anything to do with the value. To associate the value with the memory, all you have to do is put 10 on the stack, which isn't actually 10's value, it's the memory address of 10. So this is 10's memory address, and this is the value we want to associate with it. So if we just exclamation point, and now there's nothing on the stack because it took the 10 and associated it with this memory address. So now variable 10 is equal to that, and if we put it on the stack, it's going to give us the memory address again. So let's drop that. And let's, so to get the actual value, we would do 10 and then this sign here. So this question mark, it just returns the value of the variable. Now it doesn't put anything on the stack, but it returns the value of the variable. If we want the value on the stack, we would add 10 to the stack and use the @ sign. So you see, this converts the memory address to whatever it references, which in this case is a 10. That's pretty simple, and we can do all manner of things with this that you would do in any other programming language. If we make another variable called 10, or not 10, but like variable 3. And now we should give variable 3 the value of 3. So, all right, there we go. And now we've got a 10. Let's pop that. And now let's see. Let's add 10 and 3 together. So let's put 10 at 3 at, and now we'll have 10 and 3 on the stack. If we add them together, then we'll have 13. There's another thing that we can do. It's pretty common across most other programming languages, called shadowing. In other languages, it's usually you're just rewriting the variable. For example, in Rust, you could shadow variable number. This is your variable. It's equal to 10. And then you could shadow number by then rewriting this and setting it equal to 5, and it would just redeclare the variable. And then you can also do, plus equals in most languages. An example of shadowing, to rewrite the variable. We can also do plus equals in Rust, pretty simply. So let's try that. So how you would do that is with this sign, the plus not sign. So let's set that up. Let's see. So we've got 10 and we've got 3. So let's use 10 and let's add 13 to it. So let's put 10 on here. And now let's do plus not. All right, okay, so now it's taken both items off the stack, and now we should see that we have a 23 in the 10. So let's do 23, 10, question mark, and there we go. Just like that, pretty simple. We can create a new variable called 23. Variable 23. And let's give that the value of 10. So 10 at, not the number 10. 10 at 23. And then we do that. Okay, and now let's do 23. 23. All right, good. So that worked. So that's just variables in fourth. I know this was kind of a short one, but this is pretty much as complex as variables get. They're very simple, very straightforward, pretty nice in fourth. Yeah, so that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.